For thousands of years, people have gathered to hear stories. It's in our nature. But in this moment, we cannot meet face to face. For now, we need something new. Nothing can replace the energy and excitement of a live audience interacting with a speaker, but a well-planned virtual event can be a memorable experience that accomplishes your event goals. In the next 90 seconds, we'll provide a basic roadmap to creating a high-impact virtual experience for events of all sizes. The speaker selection is a starting point. Your experts at Premier Speakers Bureau know which speakers have expertise in presenting virtually. With a few questions, they can provide a short list of great options. The next step is selecting the best technology for your specific event. For big audiences where interaction isn't a priority, YouTube or Facebook Livestream is a great choice. For events where interaction is a focal point, Zoom is an excellent platform. To keep it fresh, incorporate multiple presentation formats if your virtual event includes several keynote speakers, and add a professional virtual event host to guide the day. The most memorable virtual events facilitate audience interaction whenever possible and use humor. Want a community experience, not a pre-recorded TED Talk. So provide opportunities like live polls, Q&A, or instant feedback. You'll be thrilled to see your attendees use quick reactions and emojis as they laugh from their living rooms. As comedian Greg Schwim says, you can't quarantine laughter. For now, virtual events are bridging a gap, but they cannot fill a void. At Premier Speakers Bureau, we represent the world's leading thinkers and communicators for both physical and virtual events. And we know your next event has to be special despite challenging times. You're just a few steps away from an event your people will talk about for years to come.